Okay, the charges were filed in 2016 by the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation following the raid by the Department of State Services operatives on the judge's house on October 7 same year. However, delivering ruling on a no-case submission filed by the defendant through his counsel after the prosecution had closed its case.
Well, as we have said from inception of this matter, that the prosecution never had sufficient evidence, legal evidence, the sort of evidence required to prove a case. Rather, they have been conjecturizing, theorizing, and speculating, and that was exactly the import of the decision today, that what they call evidence actually did not amount to real evidence, but dwelt largely on suspicion, which cannot be enough to ground conviction.
The prosecution counsel, Emmanuel Ogu, alleged that Justice Ademola, in his capacity as a public servant, corruptly received 30 million naira gratification in the exercise of his official functions as a judge of the Federal High Court of Nigeria.
Well, it's an interesting ruling. Clearly, we're not satisfied with it. We think that the court came to conclusions that it shouldn't have. But again, it's a ruling of a court. So we must respect it for now. We'll get the enrolled copy, look at it, and decide on the need whether or not to appeal.
Having called 19 witnesses, the trial judge, Justice Jude Okeke, held that the prosecution failed to establish a prima facie case to warrant the defendant to enter defense in respect of all the count charges. Justice Okeke agreed with the defense counsel that an accused person cannot be put to trial on an offense that is not backed by the law. Justice Okeke therefore dismissed the charge, acquits, and discharged the defendant.